girls and out there, this is Samruddhi and welcome back to my channel. So today once again I have brought a new video for you guys, and this is a challenge video, and of course this is my first challenge video, so I'm so excited for the same. Okay, so before starting the challenge, I'd like to mention that what this challenge is about, how many rounds will be there, how many points I will get for each round, what if I fail, what will be my punishment, all the stuff. So as the name suggests, the challenge is the test your knowledge challenge. So in this, some science and general knowledge questions are given to me, and these questions are in this sheets in the bowl. Okay, so there are total 8 sheets, and these are general knowledge and science questions, and I'm going to shuffle this sheets, pick one of them, give the answer, and we are gonna cross check it with Google. Okay, so let's start the video. And before starting, I'd like to tell you what's my punishment. So my punishment is if I failed in any one of the round, okay, so I will be given a stuff, so that stuff can be anything and I'll have to eat it. Okay, so let's start the video. Let's start with the first round. Let's start with our first round. Okay, let's take the bowl, let's shuffle the sheets. I'm going to pick this sheet. Okay, let's see what's the question. Okay, so it's a general knowledge or science question, I don't know, but it is the mix of both the subjects. So the question is, who discovered the concept of cells and when? Okay, so I know who discovered cells, but I don't know when he did. Robert Hooke. So answer is Robert Hooke invented the cells, but I don't know when he did. So half answer I know, half answer I don't know. Let's cross check it with Google. I have my phone. Okay, let's cross check. So this is the answer what Wikipedia gave me. Initially discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. The cell has a rich and interesting history that has ultimately given way to many of today's scientific advancements. So Robert Hooke, the answer is correct, but the half answer I didn't give, so I will be given a punishment, but I will take it half. So let's see what stuff we get for eating for as punishment. So guys, I can't believe, but the stuff which I had got for eating as my punishment is mango leaf. So I'm going to eat it now. Let's see. So as punishment I'm going to eat three bites, but now I've given the half answer and that was obviously correct, so I'm going to take only. Let's eat. Okay, I'm going to measure this so that to avoid cheating. It is nice. Somewhat bitter is there. So I have got up with my first bite. Now I'm going to take the second bite. It's tasting nice, but somewhat bitter also. Okay, let's take the second bite. Okay. So I've eaten mango leaf. I'm still chewing a little bit of it. Okay, let's move to the second round. Let's start the second round. Let's shuffle the sheets. Okay, I'm going to pick this. Let's see what's the question. Define combustion. Okay, this is the science question. Physics 1. Chemistry 1, yeah. Combustion is a part of chemistry. Okay, I know the answer. Let me frame it. Yeah. Combustion is a series of chemical reaction in which a combustible substance burn in presence of oxygen to produce heat and light energy. Okay, so this was my answer. Let's cross check it with Google. So here's what Wikipedia gave me the answer. The process of burning something, and in chemistry we can say rapid chemical combination of a substance with oxygen involving the production of heat and light. So this is the small answer, but it's a complex one, and the one which I gave was a simpler one. So I will prefer using my one because it's easy to remember and also easy to explain. Okay, so let's move to the second round. Okay, let me take the screenshot, okay, so that I can share it with you. Let's move to our third round now. You know, in first round I failed half. In second round I passed. Let's shuffle the cheats now. I will share the score afterwards. This. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Iron Man? I don't know the answer, man. I think I've heard this concept, but I'll have to think. I think it's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, let's search. Let's just search on the Google. Yeah, let's just cross check. So if it's correct, then I'm passed. If not, I'll have to eat something. I cannot believe my answer was right. And finally I will not have to get my punishment. Okay, let's see. This is the answer which Wikipedia gave me. India's first Home Minister and also the first Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel died today 67 years ago at the age of 75. Known as the Iron Man of India, Patel was instrumental in uniting the country through the merger of small princely states. So my answer is correct and I'm so happy about that. So I will have to bear no punishment. Okay, let's move to our fourth round. Let's shuffle the cheats once more. I'm gonna pick this cheat. Oh, this is the previous question. Let's take this cheat. Arey yaar, this is also the previous question. The cell one. What's this? Which river was decided to set up for Egyptian civilization? Like we have Indus River for Indus Valley civilization. Just like that, which river was set up for Egyptian civilization? Egyptian civilization means the civilization which was in Egypt. Now Egypt में कौन सी river है? River Nile? Yeah, River Nile. So it's the largest river in the world, and River Nile was for Egyptian civilization. Let's just cross check it with Google once again. So this is the answer which Wikipedia gave me once again. Egyptian civilization developed along the River Nile in the large part because the river's annual flooding ensured reliable rich soil for growing crops. So my answer is perfect and I am so happy. So I won this round. As I told you, there are total 8 rounds, and in this video we took 4 rounds. So this video was getting long. So I decided to consider it as a part 1 of the challenge video, and the part 2 will be doing in the next video because the video was getting long. Okay. For now, thank you for watching my video, and if you liked it, then please give thumbs up and comment below if you are gonna try this challenge out, and share with your friends and family, relatives, and subscribe for more freshly content for my channel. Okay, and hit the notification bell too. Thank you.